Everyone, Chastity here. So today I'm just gonna show you a quick tutorial on how to make your own mommy sling. Okay, so all you need is 3 items that you are not using. It could be a tank top or leggings or t-shirt, because we will be cutting them in half anyway. So let's start. The first shirt is
this. I don't use this anymore, so very easy, guys. So all you have to do is pretty much cut it in half, like maybe like up here, like just cut it like that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that part. Okay, so that's number one. You literally gonna cut it just like this, or maybe bigger, it doesn't matter, as long as, you know, make sure that the fabric that you're using is stretchable, so you're able to put the baby in there later on. So that's number one. Number two, I do not use this long sleeve anymore, so I will go ahead and cut this as well. So the same thing, guys, cut it in whatever you desire, whatever how big you want it to be, but it doesn't really have to be like a certain inch. So just cut that, you know, it doesn't have to be straight. I mean, if you're a perfectionist, you can, but it don't matter. So that's two. And last but not the least, so I couldn't find any other shirts that I'm not using, so I'm going to be using leggings, and I'm going to probably cut it like here, and that top, I'm going to be using that on the end. So because we're going to have 1 and 2, and the third one will be coming out to cover the baby, not cover it, but to protect the baby's neck. So this is also stretchable and cotton. So we will be cutting this as well. Sorry guys, yeah, it's a mess. I've been like doing so many things. Being a mom is just, you have to kind of just work your way out, whatever you gotta do, what you gotta do. So this is pretty much what I have, the last one. I feel like I cut it too short, but it will work. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is we are going to I am going to show you how to put it on. So first, it's better that you put it on before you put the baby. So it's kind of just like you just put the baby there. So left, right, whatever you want to start, it doesn't matter. Okay, that's one. Make sure you adjust everything. Okay, and this is two. Make sure you do it on the other side, okay? It's gonna make a lot of sense. I know I look a mess, but it's gonna make a lot of sense later. And I should have cut this a little bit bigger, but that's a lesson for you guys to learn. Either way, it's going to work. Okay, here you go. The last one will be this, and it will go, you can either put it up, go through your feet or whatever you want. Alright, and it's gonna be like that. So we can adjust the baby later on. So I'm gonna show you guys the next step. She's really like movable. There you go. See how it's secure already? It's very easy if you guys want to, you know, cook, clean, whatever. If you don't have a carrier, this is a convenient way. You know, new moms, I know sometimes it's kind of difficult to get everything at once, so you just gotta kind of take your time with everything. So this is pretty much the end of how the sling goes. She is like tired, but see how she's comfortable because she's in your chest. You know, they like to be on your chest. Now, if she wakes up and she just wants to be walked around, I put her here and I just do whatever I have to do.